serving them dope fiends. If you don't like it and think what I'm doing's mean, then you're not about making money, you're not part of my team. Only real hustlers know what I mean. Cocaine, keeping these bitches lean. I'm living life like a movie while you behind the screen. You think you know what's going on, but I'm the one behind the scenes. You talk so much shit, it's like you're writing for a magazine. And if you keep it up, I'll sink you like a submarine. I'm capable of doing things people have never seen. You don't know where the fuck I'm from. I'm just a broke kid with an imagination, fascination in this gun, no time for miscalculation. Life is no animation, so full of consequence. That's why it's important for parents to give their kids confidence, so they can show dominance in this game. Most people have no backbone and just wanna be alone, and it's you that I blame. What a shame. Most people are all the same, living life so plain, depressed. Life is so full of stress. Wake the fuck up, you're alive, you should feel blessed. Wake up every day with a smile and do your best, because in the end it's you that you got to impress. What's up with the world today? People work with no play, stress all day. We should not be living this way, living day to day, just waiting for that paycheck to check. Feeling like your life is a wreck, living upset, popping Percocets, not giving a fuck, you just giving up. Now it's none of my biz, but this ain't the way that you wanna live. You could have a way better life, be a better man, you just gotta be positive towards life. But you don't have to take my advice, now it doesn't matter in which way my life is messed. I wake up every day feeling blessed, everybody feels stressed, but when it comes to me I don't let it get the best. Man, how I've been put to the test just like the rest of you. But there is only one thing that you can do: hustle. Make that money without flexing a muscle. Stick to the track, focus on yourself and your stack. Don't hate the player of the game, I'm just spitting facts. Coming up constantly, had to watch our backs. I wanna make my life a rap, like this track. I gotta stay on track, I don't wanna spit shit that's whack. Old school shit and I'm bringing it back. So don't get settled in because I'm about to unpack. To me, old school rap is lost, like an ice age stuck underneath the frost. But I spit so much heat, it's time to defrost.